Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to solve CBSE class 10th maths exercise 3.2 question number 2 on comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Find out whether the line representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So what we need to do here is that from these two equations without drawing graph, we need to find out whether the lines will intersect, parallel or coincident with the help of this ratio. So how we can do that? Let me explain you. First you need to find out A1, B1 and C1, A2, B2 and C2. So these are the two equations and you know the standard form. This is the standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So from this what you will get, A1 will be 5, B1 will be minus 4 and C1 will be 8. Same way you will get A2 is equals to 7, B2 is equals to 6 and C2 is equals to minus 9. Now first of all you need to find out this A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 and then you need to find out the ratios. Means that you need to divide A1 by A2. So that is 5 by 7. Now you cannot cancel them, so it will remain same only. Now B1 by B2, that is minus 4 by 6. So you can cancel this and you will get minus 2 by 4. Now C1 upon C2, that is 8 by minus 9. So you can write down minus 8 by 9. So now up till here you need to find out the ratio. Now you need to compare. There are three conditions. First of all, I am going to explain you all the three conditions, that if A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. If these two ratios are not equal, directly you can say that you will get intersecting lines. Means one solution, right? Intersecting lines. When you can say intersecting line, when A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, at that time you can say intersecting line means intersect at a point. If A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2, then you need to go for C1 upon C2 also. That if it is not equals to C1 upon C2, means if these two are equal but that is not equals to the third ratio, then you will get parallel lines. Parallel lines means that two lines will not intersect and you will not get any solutions. So you will get parallel line when A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 but is not equals to C1 upon C2. Now the third condition, if you need to, every time I'm telling if, because you need to check that if A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 and if the same ratio is equals to C1 upon C2, means if all these three ratios are equal, if all these three ratios are equal, then you can say coincident line. Infinitely many solutions you will get. When all these ratios are equal, at that time you can say coincident line. So these are the conditions that you need to remember or learn. Then you need to see, look here, A1 upon A2 is 5 by 7 and B1 upon B2 is minus 2 by 7. So we can say these two conditions are not equal. So here A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2. So you can see which condition will apply. This condition will apply here. A1 upon A2, when A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2, directly you can say intersect at a point, or this line will be intersecting line. Intersect at a point. So this way you can solve the first one. Now moving towards the second one. In second also you need to do the same thing. First of all you need to find out A1, that is 9, B1, that is 3, C1, that is 12, then A2, that is 18, B2, that is 6 and C2, that is 24. So now again you need to find out the ratio. Let us find out A1 by A2. that is 9 by 18. You can reduce this, so you will get 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. Now b1 upon b2, that is 3 by 6. Again you can reduce, so you will get 1 by 2. You can cancel this, 3 ones are 3 2s. Now c1 upon c2, again 12 by 24. Again you can cancel this or reduce, 12 ones are 12 twos are. So you will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 in all these three conditions. So here you are getting a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. All these three are equal. So what you will get? So you need to remember that conditions. So you will get incident lines. Are you getting this, guys? So this way you need to solve the second one. Now moving towards the third one. Again the same way, you need to find out a1, that is 6, b1, that is -3, c1, that is 10, a2, that is 2, b2, that is -1, and c2, that is 9. So again you need to divide a1 upon a2, means 6 by 2. So you will get 3 by 1. Then b1 upon b2. So here -3 by -1. So this minus minus will get cancelled and you will get 3 by 1. Now c1 upon c2. You will get 10 by 9. So here you can see these two ratios are equal, but that is not equals to c1 upon c2. So you need to remember the condition that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 here, and is not equals to c1 upon c2. So which condition will apply? Parallel line. So this condition is for parallel lines. So here you will get parallel lines. So this way, guys, without drawing the graph, you can find out whether you will get intersecting lines, parallel line, or coincident lines. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.